everybody. Today is Tuesday, March the 12th, 2024 at about 9:13 in the morning, and I'm starting my house tour on Church Street, and 19th is just to the left of us. We're starting here at 1824, and if you look right up there, you'll see that's the survivor sign that this survived the 1900 hurricane and flood, and it's still here to tell you about it. So you can see it's got kind of greenish ceilings on it. It's a gray house. Got two porches, which of course I always like. Nice white staircase, wrought iron fencing there, and the doors are old, so I'll zoom in and show those to you. Alright, so 1816 is our next one to see. Sits back off the street a little bit, you can see, which is a good thing. I like all those windows across the top. Got that nice archway there and a little porch. Just to make sure we get these in good. You see this gateway goes straight up to the door, and it's got a big wide door up there. So I'll zoom in on that and show that to you. And that's a nice one. Let's go ahead and just take its neighbor here as well. Nice yellow one. You know I like the yellow ones. Now this is broken into 3 apartments, it looks like, because there's 3 doors there. But still, it's not a bad looking house. It's got a little porch, but you know, it's a good one. And this is the neighbor to the house I just showed you. It's got an awful lot of wear and tear up here on the side. So this one hasn't been the best taken care of. It's 1806, but it does have 2 big, gorgeous covered porches. And again, you know that's my thing. And you see those doors up there as well. Show those to you, and I'll zoom in so you can see those close and personal. You see this old wrought iron here. Kind of show you that whole thing. Give you a little more of the house. But you see, nice wrought iron all the way to the corner. So in that, it's pretty nice. It does need some work, but boy, what it could be. Okay, now this blue house, our next target. But look at all these nice palm trees right here that lines this thing. That's a nice feature. The blue is very deep and very rich. Looks really, really good. It's got a porch up there at the top, you can see, or at least a balcony, whichever you might want to call it. Got a half porch here. Got some nice windows way up there at the top. There's 2 of them. Yeah, so get you past that branch. Pretty good looking place. And I like all the details along there. So pretty nice overall. Let's see if I step backwards here just for a second. Yeah, you see that palm tree right there. Pretty nice setting, and just a kind of a beige color fence on this one. Okay, and the neighbor to this one, you know, the blue one I just shot, is this one right here at 1722. See, they got it all shuttered up here on this side. Got a nice window up there at the very top. A little porch up at the top up there, and then a little bit of a wraparound, and so is this bottom one. And then just to show you, I'll zoom in on this door here. That is a wide door. Probably needs a little refinishing. That's a nice door. And even on their gateway here, look at this. It says the Mungie Arrow Ironworks. Mill Knoll, Indiana, or something like that. I don't know, but you see the work on it. Pretty nice. Now its neighbor is this one right here, and you can see just how nice it is. Got the wrought iron again, and oh my goodness, the doors on this are absolutely spectacular. I mean, they really are. Here, let me zoom in and show these to you for a couple of seconds. It's got some nice rockers over there on the porch. It is truly a wraparound porch. There's a smaller one up the top. A couple of doors that come out to them. Looks like a slate roof to me. But look at this porch here as it wraps around. And then a little porch up there at the top too. So wow. Yeah, this one is spectacular, I gotta say. Check that out. Now it's neighbor, so you see I'm going from house to house because there's so many gorgeous houses here, it's not funny. This one here does need a little bit of a touch up on the paint job, and you know, needs a bit of work, no doubt. But again, you know, it's that same old story. Big, two porches, and yeah, they're not wraparound, it's just the 2 porches, but nice big house. And these are palm trees on either side. Right here, if I go up, I'll show you. So you can see that. So it's bordered by that. And then these doors here. Let me show you this. This is 1712 Church Street. And there is your good shot of the doors here. I can take this up. I'll zoom in right here and show those to you. A lot of detail in them, actually. So very nice. And then even back here on this side, you see it comes out. Like I said, if you look, you'll see some wear and tear. It needs some paint, no doubt about it. She's a past beauty that needs a little makeup, but she'd be absolutely gorgeous if somebody put a little bit of money into her. And again, I'm just going from neighbor to neighbor because these just don't stop. I like the way that these stick out a little bit here. It gives it a nice touch of class and style. And this house, okay, it's going to be hard for me to point this whole thing out. But first of all, you see the staircase there, so it's different, side one. Try to get this the best I can. You see it's got all that nice detail work up there. It's got nice work all around here, honestly. And it's a good looking house. We've got some trees and stuff here, so see how I can capture this in a picture. But hopefully you appreciate this one. This one is the one that had the has the pelican there. It's one of the statues that I shot several days ago, and well, actually a week ago now. I think it was a week ago today I was here. So that's that in the yard. And so now I'm going to show you the house. And there you can see it. Got the 3 nice windows there at the top. Couple at the bottom. They got nice landscaping in this place, and it's so different and so unique. And here I want to show you the gate. There you go. See the whole gate. So yeah, there's a good shot right there. So hopefully you like this one for its uniqueness. All right, this one's 1608. I showed that the other day, and that was some sort of a sculpture, and I guess things are broken off of it, but you know, there's that. But anyway, what we're here for today is the house, and this is it. So there you can see the whole thing there. It's got a couple porches, makes it nice, and then the door is pretty unique. I'll zoom in on that and show that to you. And you can see there's some neat work there. So pretty cool. Alright, this house here, definitely with this color, screams beach. It's not near the beach, but it absolutely screams it. Again, we got our 2 porches here. Half of that's enclosed. So, got you probably an all-season porch there. You got wide steps. And then you got a couple of doors there. So I guess it's maybe this is 2 apartments probably now. But still, neat color. Ain't got enough features to make it interesting. As I come across the street, you can see this one kind of reveals itself past the trees as I come on. This is 1428. It's a big one. Double porches again. Side entrance back there. Wrought iron fence. Really nice details up there and all along the top and right down here. as well. All the trim work above the windows and doors are very, very nice. So overall, it's a very nice setting. Hope you like and appreciate this one. Okay, I've come by a few houses. You see, these palm trees are actually in a yard, but they frame my next target here very well. And look at that color again, definitely a beach color. Two gigantic porches on this one, and I do mean gigantic. This one looks to be 1410. It's the address. And well, we'll back up in the grass a little bit. Yeah, and there you go. There you got the top of the house, and that has some of those palm trees. It actually belongs to that neighbor over there, but man, I love those porches, I gotta tell you. Alright, this house in front of us, it is a storm survivor. You can look right here, it was just 1308, right underneath that. And that little symbol there, that means that it is a 1900 survivor. You can see up to the top. They use interesting trim on it. Got the two porches, which makes it nice. And you can see it does go around on this side here as well, next to that neighbor. So it is way bigger than what it looks. But just because it's a survivor, if nothing else, it's worth. And then you can see the fence they got here. So hopefully you enjoyed this one as well. Actually, see this little house right here on the corner? That's a cute little house. It is a storm survivor as well. I'll get over here and I'll show you. Alright, you see the door. If you look just to the left of the door, right there, that's the little thing that says that it's a 1900 storm survivor. And then you see that door there, and I'll zoom in on that and let you see that up close and personal. Back up just a little bit, and there you get the whole scenario there with the white picket fence and everything, and the porch. So you know what, it's worthy. Okay, I've come several houses down across the street. Look at this thing hiding behind this tree. Isn't this nice? It's got the wrought iron here in front. Man, it's gigantic. And look at this. I mean, got the upper porch, it's got the lower porch. Comes around a little bit. Got that rounded balcony up there at the top. Got real nice detail over the window right there. Got some really old looking doors. I will zoom in on these, show those to you for a couple of seconds here. So you can see that really nice work along that railing there, you can see. And shutters on all the windows. Great big chimney up there. And then some nice detail work in here. So, very nice. Let me back up. Okay, and this one's got a sign, so we're not done yet. But here. There we go. That'll give you the whole thing. Then I want to bring you this. This is the James S. Waters house right here. You can see on this sign. So if you want to pause this and read it, you can. Alright, so good history of this thing. Alright, I hope that you've enjoyed this one.